signed up for this Frozen Feet Challenge, which was coordinated by one of the local running stores here in town, Red Coyote. And the goal was to go outside and run or walk at least 1 mile every day in the month of February. We signed up, little did I know this was what was ahead of us. Slick, but there's uneven terrain. I'm glad I'm out though. It always feels good to get out. That was one of my neighbors either cheering me on or yelling at me because I'm crazy. I'm not sure. Okay, well I'm done. I got my mile in. Now time to go in and warm up. Look at that on my face. Big difference from yesterday. It's a little bit sunnier out. Let's get this done. The end of my run, almost done. What a difference 24 hours makes. Definitely colder than yesterday. Alright, ready for my mile today. It is not as sunny and the snow is about to hit here in about an hour or so. I'm gonna get this done. Looks like the snow is a little more packed. I think I'll be able to get my skis out tomorrow. All right, just like that, I'm done. It's much nicer out today. A lot of snow, but warm. Time to get the mile in. Here we go. I'm gonna ski in Oklahoma. We're gonna try it, see if it works. Wish me luck. I'm gonna walk. Want to go on another walk? You ready to go inside? Here we are again, walking another mile. Nice birthday. This day was pretty nice and crunchy and soft and fluffy. you.